Hello friends. Now let's talk about let construction. Generally we find let's or let us. It is proposal or suggestion, and whenever let's or let us you will use the verb form proposed or suggested. See, this is an example. Let's go on picnic, said Riddhi to her friends. So Riddhi puts a proposal or suggested to the friends. So you write Riddhi proposed her friends or Riddhi suggested her friends to go on picnic. This is just like imperative sentence. See, this is the main verb form, go on picnic. So this way you will convert into infinitive. Main verb turns to infinitive to go on picnic. So Riddhi proposed her friends to go on picnic. You can remove let's. This sentence can be written in another way too. In that you will see the conjunction that. When you use conjunction that, at that time it needs the subject and verb. Riddhi proposed her friends that. Either you can write suggested or proposed. Riddhi proposed her friends, conjunction that, they should. Why we have written they? Because here let's or let us. Us means here we. So we turns to they. Pronoun we turns to they. And when we use conjunction that, it needs the subject and verb. So you will write should go. So they should go on picnic. Another way of let construction is let me, let you, let him, let her, let them, or any person's name. Let Rudra, for example. So when such type of construction is there, at that time you can say that it is permission rather seeking or granting. In that you can use the verb form ask or permitted or allowed or let. So depending on the situation, the way you consider the sentence. Here Ritu said, comma into inverted commas, sir, let me enter the class. So this is nothing but in the form of request. But here let construction is used. So you will convert these into, you can use ask, that Ritu asked her sir. Ritu said, sir. So, but natural. Ritu asked her sir to let. You may write that to let. Or suppose you don't want to write to let, then you will write to allow. So Ritu asked her sir to allow her to enter the class. What is the sentence? That Ritu asked her sir to allow her to enter the class. Now, the last example for this, let's see. Let me draw a picture on your picture, said the wrong man to the silent torrent girl. See, this is the example from The Wrong Man in Workers' Paradise. In earlier course, it was. So there is a silent torrent girl. This is the speaker and a listener. So the wrong man asked the silent torrent girl. What's here? Let me draw. Let. This is the, suppose you consider this is the main verb form. Then, to allow, me turns to her, draw turns to infinitive. That's let me draw. Instead of that, you will write to allow her to draw a picture on your picture. Your picture turns to her on her picture. So the sentence, the wrong man asked the silent torrent girl to allow her to draw a picture on her picture. Okay, this is very easy to understand. Dear friends, let's say about wish and compliments and blessings, prayers, etc. See, there are some phrases in dialogue we use. Good morning, good afternoon, happy birthday, happy new year, happy Diwali, happy marriage anniversary, etc. In such a phrases, compliments, directly you can use the verb form wish. You will write speaker and listener and in between wish. Suppose in the sentence you find congratulation, then the verb form is clear. Congratulated, you will write congratulated. Suppose it is thank you, then you will write thanked. If it is prayer or blessing, then you will use the verb form prayed or blessed. For that, we will see an example. See, Mr. Shah said to Mr. Soni, good morning. So said to turns to wish. You can write only that Mr. Shah wished Mr. Soni. This is correct. So Mr. Shah wished Mr. Soni. Okay, enough. Second one, Rahul said to Sonia, congratulations for getting first rank. So Rahul, here it is congratulations, the word is given to you. So you will use the verb form congratulated. This is better to use. Rahul congratulated Sonia. You can write for getting first rank. You can give the reason why. Or suppose you write only Rahul congratulated Sonia. Then also it is correct. It depends in the dialogue on the situation. That Rahul congratulated Sonia for getting first rank. Isn't it easier? Yes, it is. Now, grandma said to her grandson, may you prosper in life. Suppose grandson visits grandma and the grandma was very happy to see her after a long. Then she blesses her grandson that may you prosper in life. So, you will remove said to. We understand that this is prayer or blessing. So, it is better to use prayed or blessed. Grandma prayed or blessed. Conjunction you will use that may you. So, you will convert this into simple that you may. Okay, likewise. May you, instead of that, you may. So, that you in the sense her grandson now. So, her grandson may turns to might. Her grandson might prosper in life. So, grandma blessed that her grandson might prosper in life. Dear friends, I am sure this is really very easier topic. Then you will learn it again and again. And sure, if any query, you will contact me. Then for any assistance, okay, you can post your queries. I will try to satisfy your queries. But after this session, I will give you some dialogues for practice. Till then, have a fun. Thank you.